Hello friends, welcome to the .NET interview community. I'm your host Nirbhay Chauhan, a developer, author and a trainer passionate about leveling up the skills. Whether you are gearing up for an interview or simply want to deepen your understanding of the .NET technologies, you have come to the right place. I have authored several interview preparation books which are available on Amazon, and the links of these books are given below in the description box. So let's dive into today's question and see how we can tackle it together. So friends, our today's question is explain the programming paradigm. So friends, as we all know that programming paradigm is a fundamental style of programming, right? So interviewer may ask you what is the programming paradigm. So any of the aspirational candidates who want to build their career in software programming, they can encounter this question. So the software development requires an extensive knowledge of programming paradigm and how the programming languages helps evolve. The programming paradigm is a fundamental style or programming approach that defines how you conceptualize and structure the implementation of a computer program. It is essential a it's essentially a mental model that guides how you think about code and solve the problem. The paradigm provides a framework for understanding how to build software and influencing the choice of programming languages, data structure, algorithm, and overall program design. So, hence, the programming paradigm is a very essential thing to learn and know about it. There are many programming paradigms, but there are some of the key programming paradigms which we need to be aware of. The first one is imperative programming. The imperative programming, this is the most common paradigm focusing on describing the steps need to achieve a result. Instructions are executed sequentially, modifying the program states, and the languages which follow this imperative programming are C, Pascal, and the earlier versions of Fortran. Now, the next programming paradigm is object-oriented programming. We all are commonly aware about the OOPS concept, and this is the programming paradigm which revolves around the concept of object, which encapsulate the data and behavior. The OOPS emphasize reusability and modularity, and the programming languages for this OOPS paradigm are, for example, Java, C++, C Sharp, and Python. The next programming paradigm is the functional programming. The functional programming treats the computation as the evolution of mathematical function. It emphasizes immutability, pure function, and higher order functions. The example for this functional programming is Lisp and F Sharp. Now, the next is declarative programming. The declarative programming focuses on describing the desired outcome rather than the step to achieve it. So, an example for this declarative programming is the SQL and the HTML are some of the common examples. Now, the last comes as the logic programming. It is based on the mathematical logic using rules and facts to solve the program. The prolong is a classical example for logic programming. These are some of the common key programming paradigms. Apart from these, there are structured programming, generic programming, and aspect-oriented programming. The structured programming emphasizes on the code readability and maintainability throughout the control flow structure. The generic programming creates reusable components through templates or generics, and the aspect-oriented programming paradigm, it separates the concerns into different modules. So this is how the programming languages have evolved, and it's closely tied to incorporate the multiple programming paradigms. So friends, which programming paradigm is in trend now? You can comment your answers and let us know which programming paradigm you are using currently. So friends, there you have it. I hope you have gained some valuable insight from this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on our latest content. And if you have any questions or want to discuss further, feel free to leave a comment below. Plus, let's connect. Follow me on Medium and LinkedIn for exclusive content. The link is given below in the description box. See you in the next video.